In this video, I'm going to show you how to record a loan in QuickBooks Desktop. So to do this, there's a few steps. The first one is going to be setting up the loan liability account. Now, first you want to go to List top left and click on Chart of Accounts. In here, you want to go to Account bottom left and click on New when you click on that. And from here, you want to select the correct account type. So on the official QuickBooks website, it says that, of course, you can use two of them. So down here under this menu, under Other Account Types, you have a long-term liability, and this is going to be for loans over 1 year, and you have the other current liability, which is usually for loans under 1 year. So that's what it says on the website. You can select whichever one you want. I'm going to do long-term and click on continue. Here you have to give it your name, so the account name, I'm going to name this, for example, bank loan, and then I'm going to just do like a test bank. Of course, you can put in your bank name or whatever you want to do. You can set the sub-account, description, account number, etc. And here, this is optional, you can also enter the opening balance. So if I click on over here, you can enter the opening balance here, and you can enter the loan amount in the opening balance field if you receive the money before setting up the account, and then you can basically set the as of date over here to the date you received the loan, okay? Then you can click on OK over here, and then click on Save and Close. Whenever you do this, as you can see, I have a new account here called Bank Loan Test Bank. Now, the second thing is going to be, the second step, to record the loan deposit, and that is if you, of course, are not using the opening balance. So, to record a loan deposit, what you want to do, you want to go to Company up top, so over here, and then you want to go to Make General Journal Entries, so down here at the bottom. And then what you want to do is create, of course, a new one by clicking New or Clear down here at the bottom right. It's up to you. And then the first thing you have to do is basically set the date to when you received the loan. So I'm going to leave this ad, for example, let's just put it on, I'm just going to do like, let's just do May, 15th of May 2026 over here. And then whenever you do that, on the first line here, you'll have to select the bank account where the money was deposited in the account column, okay? So where the money was deposited over here, you can just select it. For example, if it was deposited into, I don't know, let's just say it was petty cash, then you can go ahead and basically do that, and you have to enter the loan amount in the debit column, okay? So here, the loan amount, let's just do 1,000 over here. There we go. And then on the second line, what you have to do is select the loan liability account. So it's the one we just added. So you will have to find it. If I go ahead and type in, for example, loan, I think it's going to find it. So bank loan, there we go. There it is. You want to click on that. And then over here under credit, it's going to basically put in the amount, which is the same, but now it's going to go under credit. Okay. Now, whenever you do that, you can simply click on Save and Close over here. And that's essentially what you have to do. Okay. So if you also want to like record loan payments, you could do that as well. So we can go to banking menu up top. And then in here, you could click on the Write Checks. And then you can basically select the bank account you are using for the payment. Now over here, you can select whichever one. And then of course, down here in the expenses tab, you want to select the loan liability account for the principal portion and enter the amount. And of course, you could go ahead and on the next line, select your interest expense account, etc. But that's a bit more advanced. So if you want to do that, you can. I'm just going to skip that right now. And yeah, that's essentially how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.